Last week, we took a first look at the 2022 Ram 1500 with the GT package. And today, I'm excited to share a first look with you guys on the 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Jeep's all new body on frame, 7-passenger SUV. So starting at the front of the Grand Wagoneer here, you of course have your classic Jeep 7-slot grille, some Wagoneer lettering on top of the grille there, along with a smartly hidden radar cruise sensor, your parking sensors, LED fog lights, and LED headlights that do turn as you turn the steering wheel. And along the side, you've got these nice 20-inch wheels, Grand Wagoneer lettering along the door here. No American flag on this one because this is a Canadian model. You've got your chrome door trims, and this does have the two-tone with the black roof. I really think it helps the looks of the Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer because it's gonna have to grow on me, to be perfectly honest with you. And nicely squared off at the rear with some very nice LED lighting as well. And under the hood here, the Grand Wagoneer does have the 6.4 liter Hemi V8. That is the standard and only available powertrain right now on the Grand Wagoneer, while the Wagoneer comes with the 5.7 liter Hemi. Now, while the exterior styling of the Grand Wagoneer might be a little controversial, the interior is absolutely beautiful. You've got a ton of real leather everywhere. This thing has got screens for days. So you've got a full digital instrument cluster, your navigation screen here, another screen here that can control front and rear climate along with your seat controls, a screen for the passenger, and a digital rear view mirror that you can go between a traditional style or with a camera feed. And we haven't even started talking about the back yet. There's tons of screens back there as well. Now, the rest of the materials are of very high quality. So you've got your Alcantara headliner, Alcantara A and B pillars here, tons of real wood, real leather everywhere. This does have very comfortable massage seats. They are controlled through the door panel here, and even the headrests are powered as well. Now you've got a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel with controls for your instrument cluster along with your adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. Down below the second screen, there's a button here that actually folds the screen out of the way. Behind that, you've got more USB, USB-C, and an HDMI port along with a 12 volt, along with some more storage and a wireless phone charger. Push the button there and it closes right back up. This row of buttons, it's really cool. They are a haptic feedback button. So when you press it, you actually get a feel back like pressing a real button, even though you're not. Below that, you've got your rotary dial shifter for the 8-speed transmission. You've got your terrain controls there, along with controls for your air suspension, 4-low button, and a trail crawl button. Then this does open up here to reveal 2 cup holders, a little storage pocket on the left, and just like the Wrangler, there's a little spot in the middle to hold your key. Coming further back with the center console, you've got a little bit of storage up top in this slide drawer with a USB and USB-C port, and then this opens completely up to reveal in this one a fridge. Now the door panels are a high quality leather, wood. As I mentioned before, all the controls, so your controls for your seats along with the massage. You can also adjust the intensity along with your memory settings there. Coming down there, you've got your controls, of course, for your power windows, one touch for the front and rear windows, along with the controls for your power mirrors. It does have the Macintosh speaker system that lights up there, looks really cool. The system sounds amazing as well. And then even the door pulls just feel very high quality, and they're a soft return. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for our first look at the 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. We're going to get to spend a week with one at the end of January, so look for our thoughts early February. And next week, I'm actually going to have a Jeep Grand Cherokee L for a week, Jeep's other 3-row SUV. So stay tuned for a bunch of content on that as well. Take care, and we'll see you guys in the next video.